The Most High continues the Dawood translation of Quran. In the name of Allah, the Compassionate, the Merciful. Praise the name of your Lord, the Most High, who has created all things and proportioned them, who has ordained their destinies and guided them, who brings forth the green pasture, then turns it to withered grass. We shall make you recite our revelations so that you shall forget none of them except as Allah pleases. He has knowledge of all that is manifest and all that is hidden. We shall guide you to the smoothest path. Therefore, give warning if warning will avail. He that fears Allah will heed it, but the wicked sinner will flout it. He shall burn in the gigantic fire, where he shall neither die nor live. Happy shall be the man who purifies himself, who remembers the name of his Lord and prays. Yet you prefer this life, although the life to come is better and more lasting. All this is written in earlier scriptures, the scriptures of Abraham and Moses. And one of the things about this chapter and the next chapter is its use in the holiday prayers and the Friday prayers. And of course, the confirmation of previous scriptures. Now, let's not limit Islam to some idea of Abrahamic religion. That idea was come up because in Judaism and Christianity, they don't really accept the Indian prophets and the Chinese prophets like Islam explicitly does. Muhammad said, seek out that knowledge in India and China, and that every people's had a prophet come to them. Now, some of it was indirect, but yeah. You know what I mean? Like a nearby nation had a prophet and they learned enough from that prophet's message.